Top 5 easy-to-find vegetables that can prevent cancer, proven by various scientific research. Did you know that some of the most powerful cancer-fighting weapons are already in your kitchen? Yes, nature has given us incredible vegetables packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and compounds that protect our cells from damage and help prevent cancer from forming. In this video, we'll explore 5 easy-to-find vegetables that are scientifically proven to help reduce your cancer risk and keep your body strong and healthy. Let's begin our countdown, and you might be surprised by what's on the list. Number 5. Broccoli, the green powerhouse. Broccoli is one of the most researched cancer-fighting vegetables. It contains a special compound called sulforaphane, which has been shown in scientific studies to kill cancer cells and stop them from growing. This compound helps your body detox harmful chemicals, protects DNA from damage, and reduces inflammation, all of which are key to preventing cancer. Experts say eating broccoli just a few times a week can help lower the risk of cancers like breast, prostate, and colon cancer. For the best results, enjoy it lightly steamed or raw in salads to preserve its natural compounds. Number 4. Garlic, the natural protector. Garlic is not just for flavor. It's a potent natural medicine. It's rich in a compound called allicin, which activates powerful enzymes that destroy harmful cells before they can become cancerous. Scientific studies have shown that regular garlic consumption is linked to a lower risk of stomach, colon, and esophageal cancers. Garlic boosts your immune system, reduces inflammation, and helps your body flush out toxins. To get the most benefits, crush or chop fresh garlic and let it sit for a few minutes before cooking. This helps release its active compounds. Number 3. Carrots, the bright shield against cancer. Carrots are more than just good for your eyes. They are a powerful ally against cancer. They're loaded with beta-carotene, an antioxidant that your body converts into vitamin A. Research shows that beta-carotene helps prevent cell damage and slows the growth of cancer cells, particularly in lung and prostate cancers. Carrots also contain polyacetylenes, natural chemicals that have anti-tumor effects. Whether you eat them raw, cooked, or juiced, adding carrots to your diet every day can give your body an extra layer of protection. Number 2. Spinach, the leafy green defender. Spinach is a true nutritional hero, rich in antioxidants like lutein, zeaxanthin, and chlorophyll that help cleanse your body of cancer-causing toxins. Scientific studies suggest that these compounds neutralize free radicals and prevent damage to your cell's DNA, reducing your risk of skin, stomach, and breast cancers. Spinach also contains folate, a B vitamin essential for repairing DNA and producing healthy cells. You can enjoy spinach in salads, smoothies, soups, or lightly sautéed. It's one of the easiest and most affordable cancer-fighting foods you can eat. Number 1. Tomatoes, the red cancer fighter. Topping our list is the humble tomato, a powerful source of lycopene, one of nature's most effective antioxidants. Scientific research has found that lycopene can slow the growth of cancer cells, particularly those linked to prostate, lung, and stomach cancers. What's fascinating is that lycopene becomes even more powerful when tomatoes are cooked. So tomato soups, sauces, or stews can provide even higher protection. Add tomatoes to your daily meals. They're delicious, versatile, and a natural way to strengthen your body's defense against cancer. Bonus tip: combine them for greater power. Each of these vegetables is powerful on its own, but when you combine them, the protective effects multiply. A colorful, plant-rich diet supports your immune system, reduces inflammation, and keeps your body balanced and strong. Remember, it's not about one superfood. It's about a super lifestyle filled with whole, natural foods that help your body fight disease naturally. These 5 easy-to-find vegetables, broccoli, garlic, carrots, spinach, and tomatoes, are scientifically proven to help protect your body from cancer. They're affordable, available almost everywhere, and can easily be added to your daily meals. Your health starts with what you eat, and every bite of these vegetables is a step toward a stronger, cancer-free future. If you found this video helpful, remember to support our channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing for more natural health tips.